Hi, John Higgins with Best Choice Lending, here with another tip on how to build your brand, grow your business, and generate leads. Today, we're going to talk about YouTube and the power of Google. When they work together, their SEO, or search engine optimization, is unlike any other combo. So take a look at today's video, get some ideas on how we might be able to help build your brand through YouTube videos and SEO. Enjoy.
Today we're going to talk about instant videos on your listings created for you. Instant? Yeah, automatically. So what we have is we have a YouTube video creator. And do you want more traffic? Do you want more leads? Do you want more, exposure? Basically, YouTube is a really great way. It's just one of the many ways. As professional marketers, we have to do a lot of different ways. But what's great about YouTube is number one, the traffic it enjoys. I don't know if you guys know this, but YouTube actually gets over 1 billion, that's with a B, billion, unique visitors a month. And so with that, it makes it the third most visited real estate site. That's an important notion as well, because what's number one? Google, and Google owns YouTube. So Google has capitalized on number one and number three. Number two is Facebook, by the way. And I know all of you are using our Facebook app and our Facebook posters and all that for Facebook. But today we're talking about how we create a YouTube video for you automatically. One of the reasons it's great for SEO. I don't know if you've noticed, but videos are coming up more and more in search. Here's an example here. And so here's an example of a property that even came up over Zillow. If you want, what's neat with our video is not only do we create it automatically, but we can post to your channel via API instantly, so you don't have to do anything. And then a lot of you are savvy enough, you can log into your channel, we add keywords and all, but you can edit them so you can make them more SEO friendly and all that good stuff. So our YouTube videos are super huge, super great. You can connect them to your own channel. And some of the important things of note, number one, it showcases you. Number two, we put in text codes on all of them. So what's great is that the text codes actually help drive leads, more leads to you. We also put in the property URL because we want people to be able to get an HD info, documents, disclosures, whatever you have on your property websites. We want them to be able to access about the listing. We also want to make sure that we're posting the description, which helps with SEO. You can then go in, we do add keywords for the address because it's important for us that the property is trying to showcase for the address, but just know that you on your channels can always edit at will, but we're going to go ahead and put those on there for you. We do also allow you to download these videos, so you can have them on your desktop. You can also edit them. While we randomize the zooms, we take up to the first 20 pictures and we randomize the music. You can change the music. We have an entire music library for you. You can also change the zooms, and by editing your virtual tour, we change the zooms for you. So you can have a lot of fun with these. You can use them on your marketing. You can post them all over the web. Feel free to post them on Vimeo, any of the other video sharing sites, put them in your blogs, put them all over, and they'll help gain traction for you in your marketing. They'll help attract more visitors. They'll help be a better commercial for your properties so your consumers are excited. They'll help attract more listings because now sellers are going to see that you're such a neat agent, you're actually creating videos on your listings. So videos created instantly for you. It's the best way to ensure that you have consistency in your business because you're not just doing videos on some properties, you're not doing them for all your listings. It's also the best way to build your brand and over time gain good SEO power because long after these properties sell, we update your YouTube channel to the status so that way you could still have these videos on your YouTube channel even sold. So these properties can be on there sold, still getting you the gift that keeps on giving, so you can become sort of your mini search site, if you will. So when people search different addresses or neighborhoods, hopefully you'll be the one that comes up. So that's our YouTube video creator. It's automatically in the system. We have videos on how to do it. It's real simple. When you activate a property, it just does it for you. So when you activate a property, as long as you have 5 pictures, we do it for you. We have the ability for you to download the video. We also have the ability for you to have it pushed straight to your channel. And of note, if you've activated a property before you've activated your channel, you'll need to just go into the video rendering and re-render the YouTube video. For more information, please come in the system and go ahead and you can look in our user guide. We have hundreds of videos in the user guide. We can show you how to do this easy, easy, easy. We do it for you, but you can have fun with it. So have fun with your marketing.
I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thanks for staying to the end. Remember, you can contact the loan officer that set you up in agent marketing for all these tools. Happy prospecting.